Zoe, did you order already?
You order? What did you order?
Unsa imong gusto? Zoe. Eat ang Tempat Raya. Asa? Oh, salamat. Alright, when I first moved to Dumaguete City back in 2013, there was a paucity, that's the word of the day, paucity, of eating establishments to eat at. Basically you had High and that was probably the best place. Right now we're on Hibbard Avenue, not too far from Rovira. We're just down the street from Philippine University, and I don't know if you can read the sign, apologies for the bad lighting in advance. Yeah, you can't read it. But it says Tempat Raya, which translates in Malaysian to insert caption here, something. And it's a Malaysian restaurant. And I've driven by this place a few times, and I've never checked it out. And then about 3 weeks ago, we checked it out, and it was absolutely delicious. So we're going in here. The family's already here. There's actually a lot of scooters here, so I'm hoping it's not too crowded. Wow, there are some people here already. Let's get our temperature checked. Alright, it's not working. It is enclosed, it is air conditioned. You can see there's a bunch of people here already. I'm trying not to get them on video. They have a DJ system set up here. So they must have had some partying going on. There's also a tattoo parlor upstairs. So all you gotta do if you wanna get a tattoo after you eat some scrumptious food is walk up there. Wow, and the painting, I'm gonna go walk up here. This wasn't scripted. I haven't done this. But this is not wallpaper. This is all painted. And it's pretty wild. I like it. Fire escape. Bathroom. I'm not gonna go in there. That looks like one of the tattoo rooms. And I guess that's where the magic happens. But even the ceiling has been painted. It's a cool little touch. All right, enough. Let's go find the family. Zoe, did you order already?
You order? What did you order?
Unsa imong gusto? Zoe.
She's eating that.
Yeah, she's eating the coasters. I got these cool little coasters she's eating. All right, so if you will so kindly hold this up like this. All right, a couple things to keep in mind. Operating hours are 11 to 2 for lunch, and then 6 to 11 p.m. for dinner. And one of the reasons I always thought this place was closed as I was passing it, excuse me, I'm trying to do a video over here. Oh, she found her Oh, her Chanel fell apart? Yeah. China hates the Philippines. So keep that in mind. So what we ordered, and the first time we came here, we ordered way too much food because we didn't know what we wanted, and we ate family style. So tonight we're ordering duhaka roti canai, which is basically the flatbread with the Malaysian curry sauce. It's freaking delicious, and it's only 105 pesos. I don't have my reading glasses on, hon, so if you could correct me on any of this stuff, I'd appreciate it.
Yeah. Show them your...
Zoe! We're gonna have to...
Poor baby.
Is there a warranty that comes with cheap Chinese stuff from Unitop?
This is from Kang's.
That's from Kang's?
Yeah.
Speaking of Asian, Tempat Raya, I mentioned earlier, it means, what does it mean?
A place of celebration.
A place of celebration. And every day with you is a celebration. So my life is Tempat Raya. So we ordered the 2 roti canai.
And
the
curry laksa udang.
Yes, the curry laksa udang. Which is freaking really delicious, but it's really spicy also.
It is authentic Malaysian coconut milk-based curry with prawn, tofu, bean sprout, egg, and sambal. I don't know what sambal is.
Is that shrimp paste?
I don't know. Maybe it's the spicy sauce, or is the spicy?
I don't know, but I really like spicy, and it's spicy. And we're probably gonna have to order a rice just to cut down on the heat. And we got some service water that we're gonna have here. They have an air conditioning system, which is nice. year round. And they also have nice art. There's a, looks like a magazine cover from Kuala Lumpur magazine. Kuala Lumpur is, of course, the capital of Malaysia. They got some rice harvesting hats. I'd go around and look at the other art, but we can't because there's people. And they also got some cool stuff. And you saw the stuff they had up for the tattoo place.
She rolled it.
Zoe's future job as a hostess. She's rolling and unrolling the placemats. So this is a nice place. The food is really good. During the pandemic, we lost one of our favorite restaurants, Halang Halang.
It's a Chinese restaurant.
Yep.
Halang Halang.
Halang Halang means spicy, spicy. It's like hollow, hollow. Where they double up the words. And it was delicious. That place was fantastic, but they closed operations shortly after the pandemic.
We did a video of the place.
Yeah, we did. All the good places to eat and experiences we've had, we do videos on. And this is definitely a place. So if you're bored sometime, don't know where to go, don't know where to eat, come down, check out Tempat Raya. Once again, just as a disclaimer, disclaimers are important.
Your face.
We get no kickbacks, we get no free food, we don't get any discounts for any of the stuff that we do and we endorse. So we're just gonna wait on our food and we'll show it to you when it comes out. How exciting.
And if you want some drinks,
yeah, there's a whole bunch of drinks if you want to get drunk before you eat food.
they have cocktails.
They have cocktails. And we're watching Downton Abbey, and cocktails had just been invented, I guess, around 1915. They became
The boys do.
really. I can't do. Oh, Mr. Carson, I can't do Mr. Carson right now. My mango allergy is kicking in, so I'm not feeling so great. But we're back in a bit. All right, so there is the spicy soup. That stuff's really good. They're ordering rice in the background now. And that is the roti, the flatbread with the dipping sauce, which is fantastic. And I'll tell you what, we lucked out, and I'll tell you why, because about a week or 2 weeks before we came here, this place got a new chef. And the food was so good. I rarely do this. The food was so good that I actually asked to speak to her, and she came out. And come to find out, she went to culinary art school. She lived in Cebu, I believe. I believe she's from Cebu. Chicha's just jealous. She went to culinary art school, and then she worked a lot of resorts on Cebu and down on Zamboanguita and Darwin. And we were lucky enough to actually come 2 weeks after they had hired her here. And this woman knows how to cook, my friends. So we're gonna eat, and Zoe's putting her feet on the table. Look at that. That's pretty good, right? That's pretty freaking good. So this is all authentic. I asked her where she learned. I thought she learned from like a Malaysian. Oh, that's the shrimp paste.
That's very spicy.
Yeah, that's the shrimp paste. I'm not gonna eat that. So we're asking for some platitos, because that's one thing. I mean, it's weird. You always have to ask for plates, and like, you know, stuff like that. We're gonna eat. See ya. Janice is looking for more food.
No food for Zoe.
All right, so this is how we do it now that we know. We got the 2 roti, and we basically devoured most of that. There's still a little bit left. And then we got the soup. It's a full size, the spicy soup. And we're eating it family style, so we're all sharing it. We got a little bit, we got 1 order of rice too. So if you're coming down here and you don't know what to order, get this, what's this rice called? What's this called again? So get the kari laksa udang, which is udang noodles and the spicy stuff. Get the full size. And then you just split it up, and you also get the bread and all of that. And that's the best way I found.
Your daughter's squirming, I can't eat.
And Zoe's squirming, and my wife can't eat because Zoe wants a boobie. I want boobie. All right, so the final bill arrived, and for the 3 of us, well, 3.5 of us, it's 693 pesos, which comes out to about $13.86. We pretty much smashed everything. There's a DJ getting ready to do his DJ thing. And Zoe is very curious, or she has her first crush. We're not sure what's going on. Might be time to have the talk. So until next time, this is Ned
Zoe.
and Miss Janice, and we'll see you next time on My Philippine Dreams. Good food, rainbows, puppies. Man, it's been a while since I've done this. For all. See ya.
Bye-bye, Zoe.
Bye-bye.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.